Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan, welcome back to The Forge. In this episode of Trust Me, I'm a Blacksmith, we look at some interesting techniques which I make a complete mess of. I made this today. It's a bit hot, it's a coat hook-esque thing. It was going really well and then I started bending it up and it just went to pot. It was awful. So anyway, yes, I'm making this video today because the next part of this skeleton bottle opener is like another half an hour in length, which is a pain in the bum. I don't know why I've done that. It was a ridiculous thing to do. I put part 1 up, I will put part 2 up, but I wanted a slightly quicker, easier video to edit. This one should be that, and hopefully you enjoy it. I'm using some new software to do my editing, and I'm still just getting to grips with it, so hopefully this slightly smaller video will be better received than the last one, because I think it was a bit long, and also it's bloody bottle opener again. I keep making bottle openers. Anyway, enough of my chit chat. Enjoy the video and I will see you on the other side. Okay, so I've got a length of 30 by 10 here, or inch and a quarter, or inch and a quarter-ish. Inch and a quarter by 3/8, hopefully you can see that. And what I've done, 80mm from this end, which is 3 inches and a 1/16, an eighth, sorry, 3 inches and an eighth from one end. I've put a centre dot mark. What I'm going to do now is take a slitting punch. I'm going to put a small slitted hole in here, and then I'm going to take a 16mm drift. I'm going to drift this out to 16mm round, which is 5/16, and then we're going to cut that to form both the legs of our coat hook. This material is a touch on the thick side, I think, but I'm going to see how we go as we go through the process and see what it looks like, and hopefully it's going to look all right. Okay, so you could chisel cut this, but I've done it with an angle grinder. The thing is, you save a bit of material, but there's a lot of cleaning up to do, whereas here you have just straight edges. Now you could drill this hole, and the same vice versa. If you drill the hole, you don't get the swell. You lose quite a lot of material, and you need a reasonable size hole in order to get a nice bottom on what will become our hooks. So this side here and this side here, I just measured it, and it comes in at about 10.8 on both sides, which is a reasonable amount of material saved, considering the fact that we just punched a 16mm hole in there, and this is only 30mm bar. Anyway, so the next job is to split this open and start forging these legs down. Okay, what you're about to watch is probably some of the most frustrating footage I think I've produced since I've been doing the channel. It's me bending up the hooks for this. It lasts for about half an hour, and if I'm going to speed it up so you don't have to watch half an hour of it, but what you're probably going to be screaming by the end of it, because I just do the same thing over and over again and just keep messing it up every time. Yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making the first part of this video. That technique, I like that technique, punching a hole, splitting it, and then getting it nice and flat and looking nice and tidy. Whereas the bending up parts, I didn't really have a plan. So I didn't really know what I was doing, and therefore that's where it went wrong. It's one of the reasons why I advocate you should be working from drawings instead of winging it. Once you've done it from drawings a couple of times, then you can wing it. But you know, I was trying to make a video to fill a bit of time, because hopefully this video is going to be quicker to edit. It's going to be out tomorrow, hopefully. That won't be tomorrow, it'll be today. Anyway, that's not the point. The point is, it's a stopgap so I can edit the video over the weekend, the one that I actually wanted to make to give to you guys, the bottle opener. That will be up for grabs. Oh, where's it gone? Here you are. In fact, all of them are up for grabs. The skeleton bottle opener, really like this. We've nicknamed it Bones. This one as well that I did for Penny, I really like this one as well. And I really like this one, this little cutie one. This one for Jason. So they're still up for grabs if you want to get your hands on them. Yes, a little bit of information. Like I said, I have recently changed to a new editing software. Also, Ella has broken her leg, which is great, which means that I'm now having to do a lot more at home. Not that I'm complaining. I don't want anyone to break their leg, especially not my beautiful better half. Unfortunately, she has, and that means I might not be able to get quite as many videos out next week as I would like, and the week after that there's a few things that are going to cause some problems. It's already really late and I'm probably going to get a whooping anyway by the time I get home. So I'm going to have to leave it there. So thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are a subscriber, remember, ring that bell for notifications. Drop your comments down below. Let me know where I could have done better with my bending up. I did an awful job of that. But I think that's everything. So thank you for joining me. I will leave a link up here to the bottle opener video I was talking about, the skeleton one. I will leave another link down here to something else. This is my Patreon. A great way to support the channel. This is the subscribe button. See you later. Bye bye. Well, that's going at the end, isn't it?